Hello, welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's sewing tutorial, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make a full circle top with spaghetti straps. If that's what you're looking for, then continue watching till the end to see how I made it. Can you see how full the circle is? Yeah, this is exactly what you're going to get after watching this. So let's start with this tutorial. To make this, I'll be using 45 inches of fabric, so 45 by 45. You know, most of Ankara comes by 45. If your Ankara came by 46, you might use the whole length and make 46 by 46, but this one came by 45, and we are going to fold it into 4 the same way you fold a full circle skirt. So I folded it into 2 like this, and I'm going to fold it again into 4. Now I have it folded into 4 like this. That is the way you fold your full circle skirt. I have a tutorial on how to cut different types of circle skirts. The 90-degree circle skirt, the 180, the quarter, all of them. I made a full tutorial on how to draft it. If you want to use any of those, I will drop that in the link below. But today I'm using full circle skirt so that I will get the same thing I have on my thumbnail. So here I have it folded it into 4 like this. This side is on fold, can you see? Also this side is on fold. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take the length of this. So I'm just going to use the whole full length. I have here 24 inches, so I'm going to take 24 inches round as the full length of the top. So as you can see, I took it round like that. So let me cut this out in case you're not seeing what I marked. So this is it after cutting it out. Can you see? The next thing we have to do is to mark the shoulder. So how we're going to decide this one, you're going to take round your bust measurements, your upper bust measurement, because that's where the spaghetti will start. So whatever that is, divide it by 6.28. So in my own case, I got 6.2. I will have to approximate it to 6 inches, and then you minus 1 inch from that, which will give me 5 inches. Let's say your upper bust is 33 inches. Divide that by 6.28. Whatever you get, minus 1 from that, and that's what you use and take as for your radius. So in my own case is 5 inches. I will take it round. So this is the radius I'm taking. Next thing you will do is to get your nipple to nipple measurements. That's where you want the strap to be. So in my own case is 8 inches divided by 2 will give me 4 inches. In your own case it might be 3.5 inches. So it depends on what your bust span is. So divide your bust span by 2, whatever it is, put it here. So mine is 4 inches. I'm going to check where 4 inches falls here. So this is my 4 inches. I'm going to mark this place like this. And then from here, I'm going to come down 2 inches. For me, this is basically constant. This 2 inches is like constant. So I'll mark it here like that. And then I'm going to connect it to this line. So you go ahead and connect it this way. Can you see what I did? So this side will be the center front and the center back. This side will be the side seam. So I'll go ahead and cut this out. So this will be the center front. I'm going to notch this place. Now the side with the notch is the center front and the center back. If I open it out, this is how it's going to look. Can you see? This is how it's going to be. As you can see. See the circle top? See how it's looking. Next is for you to decide the length of the spaghetti strap. So for you to decide that, whatever your armhole measurement is, divide that by 2. So let's say your armhole measurement is 10 inches, times that by 2, which will be 20, and you minus 3 from that. Whatever that is, that will be the length of your strap. So let's say your armhole is 8.5 inches, times that by 2, it will give you 17 inches, and you're going to minus 3 from that, which will make it 14 inches. So 14 inches will be the length of your strap. In my own case, it's 17 inches, so the length of my strap will be 17 inches. So first thing I'm going to do now is to hem the front and the back neckline. To hem it, I want the bias to show on front, so I'm going to place this like this, stitch it and turn it over to the front so that the bias will show in the front. So I'll go and do that and come back to you. This is it after sewing the neckline of the front and the back. Can you see? So the next thing is for us to put the spaghetti straps. For us to put that, I'm going to go to my machine now, and also from the back, because I want the strap to show on the armhole also. So I'm going to place it like this and sew it. I'll start on this side. So I'm going to start like this, place it like this, sew it all to this place. When I get to this place, I'll measure out the 17 inches for the spaghetti strap, and then I will continue from here. So let's go to the machine and do this. This is it after sewing the armhole. Next thing I will do is to measure the 17 inches spaghetti strap length. So this is it. I'll go ahead and just watch what I'm going to do now. From this 17 inches, I'm going to place it on the other side of the armhole like this, making sure that it's not twisted. I'll go ahead and pin it here for the sake of this video actually. And then I'm going to continue with this. So I'm going to join this together with the one that we started before. Can you see what I'm doing? And then join that, continue sewing the straps. So you go ahead and fold this together like this, and you're going to sew it. So this is how it will look. This is it after sewing everything, and I went ahead and hemmed the lower part. Can you see? I see. Yeah, so we have come to the end of today's sewing tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.